Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am up with a new video of Java programming. So in this video, we are going to see about classes and objects in Java. Before knowing about classes and objects in Java, let us know what is Java. Basically, Java is a multi-platform object-oriented programming language. It is fast, secure, and a reliable programming language. And the common use of Java programming language are game development, cloud computing, big data, AI, Internet of Things, etc. And nowadays, Java is used popularly because of its high quality learning resources, active community support, high quality development tools, and a security. And Java is known as platform independent because it can be run on any platforms like Windows, Linux, etc. So let us know about classes and objects in Java. As we know, Java is an object-oriented programming language. The core concept of object-oriented approach is to break complex problems into smaller objects. For example, a bicycle is an object. It has states, behavior, where an object is an entity that has states and a behavior. The states of bicycle are idle, first gear, etc. And the behaviors are braking, accelerating, etc. Before we learn about objects in Java, let us know what are classes in Java. So, class is a blueprint of an object. Before we create an object, first we need to define the class. We think of a class as a sketch of a house. It contains all the details of a house like floors, doors, etc. Based on this description, we can build the house. House is an object. Since many houses can be made from the same description, we can create many objects from a class. So let us know how to create a class in Java. To create a class in Java, we use class as a keyword. For example, class name, fields, methods. Here, fields and methods represent states and behavior of an object. So fields are used to store data and methods are used to perform some operations. So let us take another example as a bicycle. Bicycle object. We can create the class as a class bicycle, state or a fields where fields or states are used to store some data, and behavior or a method which are used to perform some operations. And note that here public and private are a keyword which are used to access, which are also known as access modifiers. So in the above example, we have created a class named bicycle. It contains a field named gear and a method named braking. Here, a bicycle is a prototype. Now we can create many number of bicycle using the same prototype. And all the bicycle will share the same fields methods of a prototype. So let us know about objects in Java. An object is called as an instance of a class. For example, suppose bicycle is a class, then the mountain bicycle, sports bicycle, touring bicycle, etc. can be considered as objects of a class. So let us know how to create object in a Java. Here, how we create class name object is equals to new class name. Bicycle, sports bicycle is equals to new bicycle, touring bicycle is equals to new bicycle. We have used a keyword along with a constructor of a class to create an object. Constructors are nothing but they are similar to the methods and have the same name as of the class. For example, bicycle is a constructor of a bicycle cycle. Here, sports bicycle and touring bicycle are the names of our object. We can use them to access fields and methods of the class. As we can see, we have created two objects of a class that are a sports bicycle and a touring bicycle, and we can create multiple objects of a single class in a Java. Note that fields and methods of a class are called as a members of a class. So this is about classes and objects in a Java. Thank you.